Students, welcome to our geography class. As you all know, we had started with a revision of our unit test second portion of geography. In the previous videos, we had revised our chapter 6, Importance of the Ocean. I hope all of you have understood the lesson. You have solved the assignment. Today, in this video, we will revise our chapter 7, Rocks. In this video, we will revise only the first three concepts. In this entire chapter, we have studied about rocks. We learned about rocks forming minerals, properties of rocks, types of rocks. In that, we learned about sedimentary rocks, metamorphic rocks, and igneous rocks. We also learned about the properties of rocks, fossils, distribution of major rocks in Maharashtra, mineral wealth of Maharashtra. Students, these were the points that we covered in the entire chapter 7, rocks. Today in this video, we will revise the first 3 points, that is rocks, rocks forming minerals, and properties of rocks. Let's start with today's revision video. Rocks. Rocks are a mixture of different minerals formed by natural process in the lithosphere. We have learned that there are various layers on our earth. Sphere means layers. Lithosphere means the downmost layer on the earth is called as lithosphere or litholayer. We have learned about various rocks that are formed. We see number of rocks and small stones on the earth. So rocks are a mixture of different minerals formed by natural process in the lithosphere. You can see this is a big stone. Big stones are called as rocks. Due to weathering, because of the heavy wind, these rocks, they break down into small stones, and this is how the rocks are formed. They are found on Earth's surface as well as below it. The layer below the Earth's surface is called as lithosphere. The Earth's crust is made up of rocks and soil. So if you see around you, you will always see that besides you, there are rocks and soil. So rocks are some way mixture of soil or mud in the atmosphere. Rocks forming minerals. Minerals like silica, aluminium, magnesium and iron are the important minerals which are useful in formation of the rocks. These minerals get mixed with the soil in the atmosphere, leading to formation of rocks. So the minerals which are used to make the rocks or which help the formation of the rocks are silica, aluminium, magnesium, iron. Properties of rocks. Now, properties of rocks depends upon the constituent minerals and their proportions as well as on the formation process. Students, I'm sure you must have seen various types of rocks and stones around you. You will realize that all the stones and all the rocks are not same. They are in different colors, different shape. Their texture or the material is also different. Why? Because each rock depends upon the constituent minerals. Just now we learned about the various minerals which are used in the formation of the rocks. Some mineral might be more in this rock, therefore they have different types of shapes, their color and the texture is different. So based on the different minerals used for different formation of the rocks, their shape, color and texture is different from one another. Now there are important types of rocks. As we learned about that, types of rocks are dependent on the formation process. Each rock is different from one another. In your surrounding, you will find n number of rocks. All the rocks are different in terms of shape, color and the texture. This happens because on the formation process. Different types of rocks takes different types of process to form. There are 3 important types of rocks, which is first is igneous rocks, which are also called as primary rocks, sedimentary rocks, and next is metamorphic rocks. Igneous rocks are also called as primary rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. Students, These are the important types of rocks which are divided based on their color, shape and texture. In the next video, we will understand in detail the formation and the examples of igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks. So students, in this video we have revised about the rocks. We revised about rocks forming minerals and properties of rocks and types of rocks. In the next video, we will learn in detail the different types of rocks, their formation process and the examples of the types of rocks. Students, I request all of you to kindly watch the video and solve the assignment and also go through the notes I have uploaded as PDF file on the LMS. In your unit test exam, you will definitely get questions from the PDF file I have uploaded. Thank you.